Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you've ever experienced the frustration of accidentally losing important files or precious memories on your Android device, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into some of the best data recovery apps that can help you retrieve those lost photos, videos, and documents with ease. Whether it's a simple mistake or a more serious data loss, these apps offer reliable solutions to help you get back what you thought was gone forever. Let's explore the top options you can use to recover your valuable data. Drill.It Data Recovery. Drill.It is a powerful data recovery app designed to help users retrieve lost or deleted files from their Android devices. This app supports recovery for various types of data, including photos, videos, documents, and audio files. With a user-friendly interface, Drill.It guides users through the recovery process, making it accessible even for those without technical expertise. The app performs deep scans on internal and external storage, increasing the chances of successfully retrieving lost data. Additionally, Drill.It provides options for previewing recoverable files before completing the recovery process, ensuring that users can select what they truly want to restore. Recover Deleted Photos Videos. Recover Deleted Photos Videos is a specialized app focused specifically on restoring lost photos and videos. It utilizes advanced scanning algorithms to search for deleted media on both internal and external storage, making it effective for users who accidentally delete their valuable memories. The app is straightforward to use. Simply initiate a scan, and it displays a list of recoverable photos and videos that can be previewed. Users can selectively restore files instead of recovering everything, which helps in managing storage efficiently. Whether you've accidentally deleted a vacation album or lost important videos, this app provides a reliable solution for media recovery. Recover Everything Photo v Data. Recover Everything Photo v Data is a comprehensive data recovery app that aims to help users regain various file types, including photos, videos, documents, and more. The app features an easy-to-navigate interface that assists users in performing comprehensive scans of their device storage to locate lost files. Its powerful recovery technology enables the restoration of files that were deleted, formatted, or even damaged. Users can view the recoverable files before restoring them, allowing for precise selection of what to recover. This app is particularly useful for anyone looking to recover a wide range of data, not just media files, offering a holistic solution for data loss. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best data recovery apps gives you the tools you need to recover your lost files and memories. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and app recommendations. Have you tried any of these apps? Or do you have a favorite data recovery solution? Share your thoughts in the comments below.